You breathe out carbon dioxide. Yep. Only 4% of what you breathe out is carbon dioxide. Some people say you breathe out carbon dioxide and the students think it's 100%. Now, if it was 100% when you did CPR to help someone breathe, you'd be killing them. So no, helping someone to breathe is a good idea. You breathe in 79% nitrogen. Nitrogen is how to say nitrogen. Nitrogen is written N2. Nitrogen gas is not useful to humans, so you breathe out 79% N2. You breathe in 20% oxygen. Oxygen is how to say oxygen. Oxygen is carried in your blood to keep all of your cells alive. Oxygen gets across the thin skin of your lungs into your blood by diffusion. Diffusion is how to say diffusion. Diffusion is not very efficient, so you get only 4% of the oxygen and 16% is breathed out. Oxygen. You breathe in 0.04% carbon dioxide. Yeah, it's just in the air where other people have been breathing, and from factories and power stations. And breathe out 4% carbon dioxide. You breathe in 1% argon, but you cannot use it, so you breathe out 1% argon. Argon is the gas in light bulbs. You need oxygen to stay alive. When someone in a car crash stops breathing, the first aid helper breathes into their mouths. This is called mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Resuscitation. If the first aid helper breathes 100% carbon dioxide, this will kill the victim. Yeah, obviously you don't breathe out 100% carbon dioxide. 16% O2 is enough to keep you alive until you get to hospital. The test for CO2, carbon dioxide, is lime water. Lime. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. If you blow bubbles in clear lime water, it will look like milk. It is not milk. Lime water plus CO2 just looks like milk. That's why it's called milky. Lime water is not made from limes. Limes are a small green fruit. English people are called limeys because they used limes instead of lemons to stop the disease called scurvy. Oh yeah, well, we did use lemons until we had a war with the Spanish, and the Spanish had all of the lemon producing areas in the world, so we switched to limes, which are not as good. They don't have as much vitamin C. Anyway, that's why we're limeys. Limestone, lime water and quick lime all have calcium chemicals. Calcium. Only what percentage of what you breathe out is carbon dioxide? Oh, only 4% of what you breathe out is carbon dioxide. But this is enough to test for CO2 by making lime water turn milky. It looks like milk. Well, kinda. The air has 79% nitrogen and 1% argon in the mixture of gases. You breathe N2 and AR in, then out again. Nitrogen and argon. The 20% oxygen in air, oh, can you see that? In air, oxygen in air is needed for respiration to keep your cells alive. You breathe out 16% oxygen which is enough for mouth-to-mouth resuscitation.